Many dog shelters are overcrowded. And if a dog goes too long without finding a home, every 5 minutes, one dog in an animal shelter like this is killed. So we need to get these 100 dogs adopted right now. Are you excited to get a dog? What kind of dog are you guys looking for?
We're looking for a small little one.
And you may not know this, but taking care of a dog's health actually costs a bunch of money. And some people, unfortunately, can't afford it.
We love him. Hi.
Which is why I wanted to share the good news. And like all the other dogs here, all the medical bills are covered and he's free. We're covering all the adoption fees.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you guys can take him home for $0.